Saving with Shay, I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pal. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. I would love to be hyped. So listen, I need 15 offers for 5. I also am gonna be really close to hitting my larger bonus as well. And so I'm hoping to be able to knock that out today, which would be really cool. We do have some new deals to share with y'all. We have the Lipton Fusion. I know some people only got 50 cents for Ibotta. It's $1.18 for me. Makes them free, which is cool. Limit of 5. So I did it yesterday. It did reset for me again today, so I'm gonna do it again today. Oh, okay. Look, Isle, they finally said, here, Shay, here's your money. Here, boo. We sorry. Why don't you send me some like some bonuses or something, you know, for holding up the money so long. But it finally hit today, which was good. So check and see if you got yours, because I got mine. All right, which is awesome. Other than that, we're gonna head to Walmart, right? We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. I am starting off with, I think I did 7 field agent jobs. So I'm starting off with a little bit of money in my pocket. So I'm feeling some type of way. Y'all, your girls feeling some type of way. So we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got your to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Gatorade lower sugar price of $5.24, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, and then we'll get back $1 on one of the sister apps, which will bring that down to $1.74. I don't have the offer on Fetch anymore, but I'm going to go ahead and pick it up anyways. So yeah. All right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Lipton Fusions. This is priced at $1.18, getting that back on Ibotta, limit of 5, makes all 5 absolutely free. I did it yesterday morning, and it did reset for me today, so I'm going to grab 5 more. Walmart rewards is only 50 cents. So I'm just going to be doing it for Ibotta. I wish it was $1.18 for Walmart rewards too, because I would definitely be maxing it out on both my Walmart apps. So next up is the Wilde protein chips. I'm doing this deal again because of you, y'all. Look, listen, it's because of you. So I just want to give a big shout out to those of you who've used my share link. It's an aisle offer. For you, it's $3.50 back when you buy one. And it does work on the smaller bags. I've gotten those from Target. I'm not sure if Walmart carries the small bags. They might even have them at Dollar Tree now that I think Dollar Quarter More Tree. But anyway, so I'm grabbing one. I have a free offer for aisle. And so, yeah, thank you guys again for using my share link. All right, so next up is the Milos. I think that's how you pronounce it. Is it Milo or Milos? I think it's Milos. I saw Miss Star post this on her Instagram page. It's a free offer for aisles. You have to buy certain flavors. It's the zero sugar lemonade, the blackberry sweet tea, and the fruit crunch, I believe. So we're going to grab one price at $4.48. We'll get that back through aisle, making this absolutely free, and I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. Next up is the Wick Essential Mist device. It's priced at $7.48. You have choices. You've got 2 choices. Well, technically, you've got a few other choices too, right? But we're going with the cheapest choice. It's priced at $7.48. Using this $5 coupon right here. Is the one that I used. Okay. All right. That'll bring the total down to $2.48. Getting back $1.75 on Ibotta would make that 73 cents. Okay, I'm also grabbing the Wick starter kit. Now, I wanted to try and see if this coupon was still going to work on this. Price at $3.97. I use this $3 printable right here. This is the one that I use. You'll end up paying 97 cents out of pocket. I did get back the 50 cents on Ibotta. I'm bringing it down to 47 cents each. And then last but not least on the oils is on the 4-count price at $9.98. For this, we have 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5. And then $125 on Ibotta would make that $3.73, which is actually not a bad price. I would make sure to scan them for Shopkick because I'm not really sure if it's only on specific cents. And so, yeah, this is really not a bad deal. All right, so this is a freebie. Well, let's just be honest, okay? It's not really free on Fetch, but it might be kind of close to free. It's priced at $7.88 for the 3-count on the Tide to go Oxy, and you're gonna get that back. All right, so next up is the Palmolive. This is a field agent offer on the Mango Bliss. So I'm gonna grab one, price at $268. I'll get the price of that back plus $2 for field agent. There's also 50 cents on Ibotta as well, so it's gonna make this a $2.50 moneymaker. Purina Dog Chow high protein, price at $172 for this. 50 cents on Ibotta, 5 cent any offer. We'll make that 117. Aren't these so stinking cute? Oh my gosh. Josiah would look so cute with these. But he don't like real shoes. He only likes the Croc shoes. But these are so stinking cute, aren't they? Freaking cute. Can these hairpin go on clearance? That way if he don't wear them, I don't feel as bad. These are kind of cute too. Those are kind of cute too. Oh my gosh. I see you, Walmart. I see you. And the women's are super cute too. These are so freaking cute. Have you guys tried these? I don't know. I feel like my feet would hurt after a while. But OMG, these are kind of cute too. Black ones are cute. Pink ones are cute. Ooh, these are freaking cute too. All of them are cute. Let me stop. I need some more white shoes too. Gosh, can these go on clearance too? Am I the only one? Like, can you feel me? Because I'm always like, can this go on clearance real quick for me? Just for me. But yeah, check out their shoes. They're so freaking stinking cute. These are cute too. These are actually really, really cute. I might just have to suck it up, Buttercup, and get me a pair. And try it out. Use some of this rebate money. Next up is the Copper Tone. Now this offer is on a timer. It's on my list on a timer. I think mine's is like 43 minutes. So I came to this store to see if I could find any more at $3.50, and I did. I'm actually happy that I looked down here because there was two right here. There's one. I don't know if somebody hid them perhaps, because that's something I would probably do. But there's one there. And then there's one here. So grabbing this at $3.50. Now I don't have it on Checkout 51 anymore. But I do have it on BeFrugal. I'm gonna try BeFrugal today, y'all, and see how it works out for me. I haven't been very lucky with the app, to be honest. And so grabbing it at $3.50, getting back $4 on Ibotta, $3.20 on BeFrugal will make this a $3.70 moneymaker. Well, they don't have it at this store actually. It's the Febreze on the go. Yeah, they don't carry it at this store anymore. I think we only have one store that carries it. It's priced at $2.08, and we have a Walmart reward offer for it for $2, making that only 8 cents. Next up is the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These right here, they are priced at $5.67, getting back $4 on Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart rewards as well, bringing that down to $1.67. All right, so this next deal is on the Carico Tangle Brush. It's a field agent job, popped up yesterday. I had one for both of these. I should have did both, but I just did this one. It's priced at $9.97. Now this is a you have to order it online. So I usually will do online, and I do curbside pickup, which is what I did. So I just picked it up already. So you grab me one at $9.97. You'll get 50 cents when you do part one. And then once you receive it and do your review, you'll get another $1. So it's going to make this a $1.50 moneymaker plus tax if it's on a receipt by itself. Next up is the Dove. It's the Dove Crumble hand soap. These are priced at $3.97, and this one right here smells so good. I bet the body wash smells even better. Talk about smelling like a treat for your boo. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab one, again priced at $3.97, getting back a total of $735. Buy and scan kicks, which is $2.94, will make this $1.03. Next up is the Dial antibacterial and hydrating hand soap, priced at $3.12. For this, we're getting back $1 on Ibotta plus 200 kicks on Shopkick, which is 80 cents, making that $1.32. So next up is the Axe deodorant. Of course, I always am looking for the spray at $4.98, but this store is still out of it. So we're gonna grab the sticks, priced at $4.97. We'll be grabbing 2 of them. We'll pay $9.94. I'm getting back $7 for buying 2 on Ibotta. This is also available for Walmart rewards as well, making them only $1.47 each. Just a reminder, the Aleve 24 count price at $5.47 is still a good deal. We have $1.50 back on Ibotta, Checkout 51, and one of the sister apps, making that 97 cents. All right, y'all. So this is my complete haul for today. I'm gonna make this so quick because we have to get your side from school like in 10 minutes. All right, so everything here worked out good. Coupons I used, scan. All my Walmart rewards came through. I didn't do a lot. I think I did the Febreze on both accounts and I did the Neutrogena on one. Yeah, I think I mentioned in my intro that I'll finally paid out, which was good. So all I'm waiting for now is the stuff I did today. Other than that, that's basically it for this haul, you guys. And so everything that you see here retails $107.95. We had 16 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $91.95, and then we walk away with $47.35 from Ibotta. Field agent is $38.21. I think I did 7 field agent jobs and 2 buy-in tries for this haul. Aisle was $11.45. Walmart rewards was $8. Fetch Reward was $7.88. Shopkick was $3.68. I think for the Dove, instead of getting back 725 kicks, I got back 700. And then BeFrugal, hopefully I'll get back the 320. And then last but not least was Swagbucks with $1. So getting back a total of $120.77 is gonna make everything that you see here free plus $28.82, which was pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the door. In the comments, I wanna see a brush emoji if you made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.